Hey, guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome to episode 2. This is, episode 2 of I bought 10 retro PCs. So on the first one, we checked out this Fujitsu Siemens 933 megahertz. Nice looking desktop. But this second one is a tower. Beige MIDI tower. This one is also from Fujitsu Siemens computers. It's called Euroline. Down here at my finger, it has got Intel inside Celeron. Now back in the days, Celeron were for poor guys, for losers. Winners had the Pentium 3 systems and the losers had the Celeron systems because they were cheap. And poor people like me and my friends, we couldn't afford the Pentium 3, so we had the AMD K6 400 megahertz. We were the poor guys, but we were happy with those AMDs. And even cheaper, there were some processors called Citrix. They were cheap. So yeah, and over here it has a label that says Santen, now 2000. All right, so let's take a closer look at this beautiful computer. This is just before the DVD drives. This one came with a 52x speed optical drive, CD-ROM drive with headphone, and you could check the volume up and down because you could sit and listen to music here, play and fast forward and stop and open the drive, power indicator and hard disk LED indicator, and a 1.44 floppy drive. Wow, greatness in a tower. I mean, look at this. We have two holes here, two missing cards. It can be knit. Yeah, I think it's maybe a better VGA card, graphic card, and the other one can be a 3COM LAN card. I'm not sure. I'm just guessing here because this is my first experience together with you guys opening this one. Power. Extra for if you want extra fan to take out the cold hot air. PS2 mouse and keyboard. We have got USB, COM port, printer parallel, built-in VGA. I love that because I'm gonna get into that, but I love that. It has got built-in. I love when they have audio on these old cards because I love the audio on these old MS-DOS games. And joystick port. Nice! Let's go ahead and open this one up and see what's inside and connect it and see if it even boots. All right, beautiful stuff here. Nice. Let me just change the camera angle and I'll be back. Okay, these big 120mm was just greatness in a box because it could move much more air and didn't have to turn that fast, so they were a little bit silent. As I can see, we have got AGP port and 3 PCI. We have got 2 RAM, we have got a battery, non-leaking battery, and we have got a socket. It looks like socket, 370. Because of it says Intel Celeron. We have got North Bridge, South Bridge here. We have got a cooler on here. Pretty standard stuff from back in the days. We have got the floppy here. We have got a missing hard disk laying around there. Let's install this beauty. Maxter 20 gigabyte at 5,400 RPM. It's a slow baby, but it's better than nothing. So let's just install this hard disk and power this beauty up. So hard disk. This is my hard disk, so I can just show what it has inside. So that's cool. Oh. Yes, I love the screen. Alright guys, we have got a Celeron processor at 500 MHz. Look at this, system bus is at 66. Can you read that? Oh, it's small. But it's cool. This one I'm gonna keep. Because everything under 500 MHz, I like it. It's good for Windows 98. But it's even better for MS-DOS when it's a weak Celeron processor with 384 megabytes of RAM. I just need 64 megabytes. That's more than enough for MS-DOS. And this hard disk contains Windows 98. That's nice. I don't know what else it has got inside, but we have got 500 megahertz. I just entered. Oh, nice. That's beautiful. So we have got just a standard installation, Windows 98. And if the CD-ROM drive works, it is spinning. Yes, it works. Woo! Jet plane. Windows 98 2nd edition. Browse this CD. Remove software. Drivers. Display drivers. Oh, that's nice. Alright guys, that's beautiful. And if we go in here, none of the software has been installed. No drivers, as you can see. MPU 401, you know, chipset, graphic card, sound card, nothing is installed. So, but it works. That's the most important part. I'm so happy with this. Let me see here. Oh, it's just 2 GB partition. That's enough for drive C, but it is a 40 GB computer. Let's see, restart. There we go. Let's see the ROM drive, 52 speed. It's a noisy little one. The chipset is from 2000 and it's i810. So it's a pretty nice system. Oh, 20 GB hard disk. That's nice. Yeah, 20 GB hard disk, guys, and 144 disk drive, and 384 megabytes of RAM, and 1 megabyte is shared as VGA graphic memory. Beautiful stuff. Wow. Start off on floppy, CD, or hard disk. Man, in here you can go in if I want to play really old MS-DOS game. I can go in and take this one, CPU level 2 cache. I can turn off the cache. That will make, you can see here, CPU internal cache. If I do this, disable it, it will be extremely slow. So we have got some different options for 98 or MS-DOS gaming. Windows 95, I really don't care, because 98 has everything the 95 has, plus much better on-chip video on, of course, yeah. So here you can enable, disable the controller ports, USB keyboard is disabled, USB mouse is disabled, audio is enabled, modem is disabled, MIDI port 330, MIDI address RQ5, power status LED blinking. I mean, it's an MSI motherboard, and I think this board is compatible. I hope it's compatible with MS-DOS gaming, with maybe general MIDI, I'm not sure. In here you can actually go in and You can overclock the CPU. Now it's over here, but I could take it up, but I don't want to do that, so it's just default. And I can multiply the clock radio, but I'm just gonna leave it so it just runs standard. Exit without saving. And it works. What a, yeah, the noise comes from the cooler for the CPU. It's a noisy one. It's a MSI 6178 MF1 version 1.5. I'm gonna go in and check. I hope that the built-in sound card has some DOS compatibility. I'm not sure if it will work, if it's too new or what it is, but this is just a checkup video. So in a future video, we're gonna go in and test this board, make a clean installation, MS-DOS installation, maybe disable cache, and enjoy this beauty. So I want to say thank you for watching, guys. Oh, Celeron 500. We're gonna start from CD-ROM or hard disk. We just take the hard disk. Oh, it's a great system. I love this one. I like the case. I like what it has got to offer inside. Wow, it's a winner. Guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on episode 3 of I Bought 10 Retro Computers. If you like this one, and if you watched to the end, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. It will help the channel, and I would be so happy. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.